Make a great choice today with 2015 Cruze. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.